Hello everyone and welcome to this session of programming with Java. So in this session we will continue our discussion on the different jump statements in Java programming language. In this session we will see the rest of the different jump statement, namely continue and return. Now continue statement is used to skip the current step or the current iteration of our loop. So for example, if you remember our session on the break jump statement, then there if certain condition was satisfied, then our loop was completely getting terminated and pointer was reaching at the end of our loop. So for example, when we were printing the numbers between 1 to 10, then there we defined a condition that if any point of time the loop control variable becomes equal to 7, that is if I equals 7, then we were just printing out on the screen that 7 is reached and we were breaking out of our loop or going at the end of our loop. So for example, if I run this program again, then we were getting the output from 1 to 6, and after when the loop control variable becomes equal to 7, then we get an output on a screen that 7 is reached and the break was invoked and our loop was getting terminated. But let's say if we just want to skip this step of iteration instead of completely terminating our loop. So for example, we want the same code of operation, but instead of completely terminating, we just don't want 7 in our output and we want 8, 9, 10 so that our loop completely terminates to the end or it gets executed completely. So for that purpose, we can use the continue statement. So we will remove this break or replace this break with the continue keyword, and if I run the same program again, then we will get an output that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is reached and we will get 8, 9 in our output. So this is happening because at the when our condition, that is I equals 7, becomes true, then our 7 is reached will be printed and afterward continue will be invoked. So for example, if I remove this statement completely from our screen so that nothing happen and just our loop just skip this step of the iteration, so we will just write the condition and afterward place the continue keyword. So if we run this again, then we will get an output in which there will be numbers from 1 to 10, from 0 to 10 basically, but there 7 will be absent. So we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but after 6 we are just getting the 8 instead of 7 because 7 has been skipped because we have used the continue keyword. So this is how we operate or use the continue keyword in Java. Now the next statement or the last statement is the return. Now return is basically the part of the method, but here if we have to discuss it in brief, the return basically returns the value to the caller or from where it has been invoked. So when we will study about methods in detail, then there we will discuss return in detail itself. So that will conclude our jump statement in Java programming language. From the next session we will start understanding how do we create and use methods in the Java programming language. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.